2 pounds of plaster, the ratio is 2 pounds of plaster to 1 pound of tar.
Oh.
Wait, okay, so it's 2 to 1.
Yeah, double.
Yes.
If you double your tar,
No, double the tar or double the plaster?
double the tar for plaster.
Oh, it's 2 pounds of tar
No.
to 1 pound of...
No.
No?
The first one is correct.
It's 2. Okay.
You double the amount of plaster.
Yes. If your tar is 3 pounds, double that one is 6 pounds, you plaster.
I see.
Okay, so like, what is it now?
It's 2 to 1 the plaster to the tar.
But now I show you how to, your father.
Uh-huh.
You're good.
What kind of tar do you use?
The stuff you get at Home Depot.
I bought from Home Depot. It's writing on that one, tar and peach, both of them.
Oh, it's a tar and pitch?
It was writing both of them on
On the label.
a packet.
And what kind of plaster?
Listen, take a picture. I don't know what it is. You can take a picture from.
Yeah, I got it this morning. I didn't open the orange.
Okay, I gotta remember.
Okay.
So Johnny was funny. He has this virus that is giving a big fever, and he seems to be better today. It's been going on for a week.
How old is he?
He's 15 months.
Oh.
What is it, grandson?